Hi, I'm Arnav Chaudhary. I'm a BTech in Civil Engineering and currently I'm working as a business analyst at Total Environment.
I'm Anurag Khambani. I'm also working as a planning analyst at Total Environment. And I'm here to share my experiences over the last 6 months.
So coming to the company now, Aruna, coming to Total Environment in general now, can you describe Total Environment to us? I think everyone is very curious to know. The name sounds very interesting.
Yes, Total Environment is basically a real estate company, but we do everything in this company. Everything is in-house in this company, right from getting the land, making the designs of the building, doing the architectural drawings, drafting, getting the materials, construction part, even after handing over the particular flat or the which we call unit to the customer. The maintenance part also, we give them a particular period of warranty till which we tell them ki whatever maintenance will be required, we'll be doing it for them. Even after the warranty period, we give them the option ki if you want, we'll only do it for you because we know how to handle our apartments. So basically, Total Environment is a company which likes to do everything inside their own company. It is a real estate company, but it does way more than real estate because 3 years before they even open their IT team and the website which they make, it is again made by Total Environment teams. The sales and whatever is happening in the company, it's all loaded in the website. So all those stuff are happening by Total Environment employees only. So you can say anything that is done in the company, it will be in-house. So you will be getting lots of opportunities. Even if you are a civil engineer, you can show your skills in services like in home automation. You can show your skills because all our houses are totally home automated houses. You can just be on your bed and you can use all the appliances in your house. They're actually very luxurious houses. Total Environment believes in giving you a very luxurious feel while you live, and it is a company which is ready to do everything for its customer to make the customer happy. Customers are regarded as gods in the company, and to satisfy a customer, the Total Environment company will go to any height to make sure that it happens, and they will basically do anything and everything required for the customer. So that's it. Total Environment is a company of the new generation because they always believe in delivering, and till now I guess the company has delivered pretty well in the business.
Aruna, can you tell us where it is based in India and how big is the company in terms of the number of people working there and how old it is?
Yes, Total Environment is around 20 years old in this business, and it is basically based in Bangalore. But we have offices in Pune, Hyderabad, Dubai, and USA as well. But all the constructions, all the head office happen from this Bangalore office only. Everything which has to go to any place, it will happen from Bangalore office only. So yes, you can say Total Environment is basically based in Bangalore.
So Aruna, tell us about the reach of Total Environment across wherever its market is.
Okay, as I said, Total Environment believes in building really luxurious homes. So from that, you can make a guess that we are basically targeting the so-called elite classes of the people. And as regards to that, our client bases include some big names. One I can say is the favorite player of everyone, Rahul Dravid. Then we have Asim Premji. We have the CEO of Mu Sigma. These are just a few names to be named in the client base of Total Environment, and you will find a lot of CEOs, a lot of directors, a lot of known faces in this company who have believed in this company till today and who are actually working as a word of mouth for the other big guys who are willing to invest in a company. So yes, we have a pretty big base with big names in our system.
Right. How is Total Environment better than the rest of the construction companies out there?
One thing which I think really sets Total Environment apart from its competitors is its devotion to its customers. As I have already said, Total Environment is willing to do each and everything for the clients. I mean, at any point of time, as we do the indoor designing of the houses as well, as we say interior designing in other terms. So we do that as well. So let's say the customer has finalized a design for his house, the inbuilt design, the interior design, And after we have already started working on that, the customer says, no, I want to change something. Let's, for example, some people believe in Vastu. So he or she says, ki, chalo, it's not right according to Vastu, it's not right according to that. Earlier I didn't know that, so I want to change it now. So a lot of people could say, ki, okay, we have done our part, whatever you had asked us previously, we had done that, now it cannot be changed. So that is something you won't find in total environment. Even if the work is 99% complete and the customer comes and tells us, I want something different, total environment won't disappoint the customer, and the total environment company will definitely put all its efforts to make sure the customer gets exactly what he wants and the customer is happy till the end. So that is something, the total environment is very different from the other competitors in the business. This is a very interesting story. Like, I can't name you the customer obviously, but there was a particular customer who had a 2000 kg statue which he wanted in his house. Now his house was in a very high floor, I guess 10th or 12th floor, I don't remember it particularly well, but it was in a high rise floor. So definitely taking a 2000 kg statue to that particular floor, it will be very difficult. Now you can argue that we also carry generators till the top, but generators we can disassemble. We cannot disassemble the statue, obviously. We cannot break the statue. We have to take the statue in its own form. So the customer came to us and he asked us if there is something we could do about it. And trust me, we put an entire team of people to particularly look after that customer to make sure that statue reaches exactly the point where the customer wants it to be. So that is something really interesting which I found after joining this organization. This again proves my point. The total environment is willing to go to any point to satisfy the customer.
So Anurag, can you tell us about the kinds of technology or the applications of technology that you have used at Total Environment and that Total Environment uses in general?
Total Environment, being an architect-led company, it has a lot of innovative ideas regarding materials in particular. For instance, we have one of the tallest jali walls. If you know what jali wall is, it's a brick structure which allows wind and light to naturally come inside the apartments. So this is one of the tallest jali structures in Asia is being used in one of our projects. And other than that, we also make a lot of use of porotherm bricks, which are hollow, very light bricks, which take away from the structural demands of the building. Other than that, we have cladding of wire cut bricks, which is again gives a very presentable look to the building, which is very rare in other buildings or other projects. Other than that, we also make use of exceptional finishing techniques. For instance, for parking areas, we are always using VDF, which is vacuum dewatering flooring, and which is again only present in very high-end projects and not easily available everywhere.
Coming to a little bit of a different aspect, Anurag, tell me about the extent of the exposure that you get at your company outside of your normal profile.
Company has a very encouraging culture in terms of encouraging the youngsters to get involved in various fields. It can involve sports, it can involve Scrabble games. We have Scrabble tournaments, we have table tennis tournaments, we have costume parties on different festivals. We also have regular team outings. Ours is in February. It depends on the team, it depends on the manager of the team. Whenever they want to take, they're given a certain fund and they can either go for a trip or a lunch. Other than that, every 2 to 3 months we have Scrabble competitions in-house within the teams. We have a table tennis on campus which we can use anytime we want. We just want to chill. We've worked a lot, want to take a break, we can go out and play for fun.
Much more important question is that what is the kind of work culture that you have seen at Total Environment?
Work culture, I think, depends a lot on the manager that you're working under. In my case, the manager being of a relatively younger generation, the rapport that we have with her is that of a senior as we would have in a college. So, but again, like I said, that varies from department to department. So for us, we have a lot of freedom in terms of what we want to do on that day. As long as we are meeting our deadlines for our work, there is no pressure as to what you should be doing at a time. So if I feel like I can do my job better at a site, then I'll just book a cab, which is easily available in the company itself, and I'll go to the site. I'll work all day, and then I'll come back. If I feel my work is better being done at the office, then I'll stay in the office. There's no compulsion that you have to work here and you have to finish this by this. As long as whatever monthly, weekly deadlines you have, you're meeting them, there's no problem. Other than that, any doubts you have, this is, I feel, very strong point about the company is, any doubt you have, you can walk into any cabin, be it CEO, CMD, your working manager, whatever it is, you can go to them, silliest of the silly doubts, you can ask them, they'll be willing to help you.
You told me about the exact number of working hours that one has to clock. Can you tell us about how many those are?
This is a new feature that's been incorporated in the company. It wasn't like this about 3-4 months ago. What they've done is they have biometric systems, and they're very strict about the timings. You have to clock in 9 hours 15 minutes every day. Even if you clocked in 9 hours 12 minutes 13 minutes, a message is supposed to go to your manager that he's clocked in these many hours, these many minutes. Where was he? And the manager has to in turn report to the HR. So then the manager will obviously come to you and send a mail asking you what happened, and you have to justify why did you leave early.
Now, we from our experience have seen that companies don't generally tend to interact with students too much outside of just hiring them. Are there any ways in which Total Environment interacts with students who are currently in college?
They offer internships, but in my experience, I've only observed master students to get internship there. I have not seen any bachelor level students getting internships. Other than that, when we go to recruitment, we present our company's portfolio, and other than that, I think it's only through mass media.